this little thing. Follow us, you know.
Yo, let's take a look at this storage
Guys,
unit.
that, you know, it's not too big, not too clean,
Not
but
too small.
it's all good.
You know what? We want privacy, so yeet.
Yeah.
Bang. Alright. This should just be a group effort opening the lid.
Yeah.
This is kind of a momentous occasion.
You know what, guys? Before we open this, like, subscribe, unsub to T-Series,
And
subscribe to
obviously-
PewDiePie.
Oh yeah, PewDiePie is good. Okay. Most original content on YouTube.
Here we go.
Alright, 3, 2,
1.
1. Yeet. Okay.
Man.
Let's get into this. Actually, you want to show them
Yeah,
real
let's
quick?
do this, guys. So this
Oh,
is
yeah.
what is in here. You know.
It looks like food. Somebody is stocking up, man.
Yeah.
They're like, dang, World War II or 3 or
There's
something.
something.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're really expecting some not good.
Yeah, World War II already happened.
No, they're planning for World War II. Okay.
Alright,
So,
guys. Let's go ahead. Let's start with the paper plates.
Some good old paper plates, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Not too shabby.
Not too
Obviously
shabby.
pretty good. Some spaghetti.
Spaghetti noodles. With a nylon spaghetti.
Server. You know,
Server.
put that back in because they're not under it.
Yeah, we don't need that. It's
No,
already been opened.
Yeah.
Then we got this. Ow. We got 2 boxes.
Man, 2 boxes. Yeah, put
2
them
boxes.
back.
Man, they were stocking up for the
Yeah.
winter.
Yeah, man. Oh, well.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
There's a lot of
utensils.
random crap. They must have been expecting
Yeah.
a lot of people.
Yeah.
Right.
For World War
More
III.
plastic utensils, or not
Plastic.
utensils really,
Just
bowls.
Items.
More
Some
bowls,
more.
more
Yeah,
paper
put
bowls.
those back
Yeah,
in.
just go ahead. There's a few napkins. Some of them look like they've been used, so I'm not gonna really mess with that.
Some classic lemonade.
Lemonade's classic. Dang, that's kind of nasty actually. Who knows how long this
So
stuff
not
has been
good.
in here? Like
There's-
17th of March 2018.
Oh,
Dang, this
man,
stuff has
that's
already
not good.
expired.
Yeah.
How
So
about
some
most of this stuff?
great ragu boys.
Ragu for all of your ragu needs.
Ragu needs. Okay.
For ragu needs.
Ooh, man. This was even before the thick meme. Thick and spicy.
Ooh,
BBQ.
barbecue. We got some Parmesan.
Parmesan, yeah.
Parmesan. Yeah.
And then,
Bunch
last
of
but not
plastic
least,
knives.
plastic.
Like literally, that's a
Yeah,
bunch of plastic.
but that's honestly all there is. But
Kind of depressing. Honestly.
yeah, not too great. You know, there's all that and then
Not a
paper
whole
plates.
lot. No, we
Just
spent
plastic
a
paper.
whole $0 on this.
Yeah,
That was so much wasted money.
that was way
Dang.
too much. You know what, guys? But you guys know exactly what can make up for it. If you guys like, subscribe, unsub to T-Series.
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
That's all we need you guys to do.
Alright.
And we'll be buying more of this stuff if you guys do that, you know? So, might as well.
Go ahead.
Just
Hey,
do
we
it.
should do what those YouTubers do and be like 10,000 likes, and then we'll move on.
Yeah, and
So,
yeah.
you know, obviously.
10,000 likes.
10,000 likes.
We'll get more of this stuff.
We'll keep going, guys.
Hey, you know what? I think we can make it 100,000. 100,000.
100,000
I am
likes.
trusting in you guys.
Yeah. Our whole
Get
livelihood.
more of this, baby.
Our whole livelihood is
Go.
based on you guys. So.
Yeah, so,
Yep.
anyways,
Alright.
you guys know.
See ya.